How to change email on Agoda. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will find out if we can change email on Agoda or not. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the application Agoda. So as you can see, I've also logged into my account, so make sure you have already logged into your account. And the thing is, when you are logging in or signing up in this application for the first time, that is the time where you will have to select your Gmail or email responsibly. So when you create your account in this application, that is the only time you will be given the option to select email. But once you're inside here, as you can see under this more section, under your profile section, you can see there is no any option to directly change your email regarding your account. So what you can do, or the only option we have, is deleting account by simply tapping on this deleting account and simply creating a new account with your new Gmail or email address. So once you do that, it should be created with your new email on your Agoda application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.